Hi, Year 3. This is our next poetry lesson. We're going to be doing some revision of what we learned last week or last time, and then we'll be starting some new work. So last time we were looking at quatrains, which are poems with 4 lines or a poem with verses that have 4 lines. And we discovered that quatre is the French word for the number 4. And I don't speak French, so no doubt I am pronouncing that incorrectly. And here's an example. This one's by Shel Silverstein, who is a great poet and also an author. Sidewalking. They say if you step on a crack, you will break your mother's back. But that's just silly. Ha, ha, ha. Oops. Plop. Sorry, Ma. Okay, so a quatrain has a poem with 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. A quatre is, or I think it's quatre, is the French word for the number 4. And remember that they had rhyming patterns of A. This one is A, B, B. It can have A, B, or A, B, C, B. And we've done a lot of work looking at those rhyming patterns. Okay, cinquains this week. We're going to look at what they are. And just like with quatrains, a cinquain is a poem with 5 lines or a poem with verses that have 5 lines. And cinq is a French word for the number 5. There are many different types of cinquains. They have different rhyming patterns, syllables, and number of words. Some of them are dedicated to topics. The first one, and this is what we're going to focus on today, is called a limerick. And the limerick has 5 lines, has a rhyming pattern of A, B, A, and it's funny. So they're always good fun limericks. Okay, there was an old man with a beard. There was an old man with a beard who said, "It is just as I feared. 2 owls and a hen, 4 larks and a wren have all built their nests in my beard." Okay, limericks have 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have a rhyming pattern of A, B, A, B, A, and they are funny. And that one certainly is one by Edward Lear. He is another great poet. Okay, there's our rhyming pattern. A, beard and feared and beard, and then hen and wren. Has 8 syllables. There was an old man with a beard who said, "It is just as I feared." 8 and 8, 2 owls and a hen, 4 larks and a wren. 5 syllables. Have all built their nests in my beard. But they have a rhyming pattern of A, B, A, and a number of syllables. The first, second, and fifth lines all have the same number of syllables and are longer. The third and fourth lines have the same number of syllables and are shorter than the first, second, and fifth line. Here's another one. A circus performer named Brian once smiled as he rode on a lion. They came back from the ride, but with Brian inside and a smile on the face of the lion. They have 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have a rhyming pattern of A, B, A, Brian, lion, and lion. And note there too that the fact that it's Brian, I-A-N, and lion, I-O-N, doesn't matter that they've got different spelling, they're still pronounced as a rhyme. And they have a pattern of the syllables in each line. The first, second, and fifth lines have got longer ones than the third and fourth, and then the fifth one is long again. Okay, let's have a look. We've said that they've got 5 lines. They've got a rhyming pattern of A, B, B, A, Brian, lion, lion, ride, inside. And we'll have a look at the syllables in just a minute, and it is funny. Let's look at the syllables. Our circus performer named Brian. So 9 syllables. Once smiled as he rode on a lion. 9 syllables. They came back from the ride, but with Brian inside and a smile on the face of the lion. Okay, 9 syllables, 9 syllables. 2 shorter lines with only 6 syllables, and those 2 lines rhyme, and then the 9 syllables again. Okay, it's your turn. You're going to be writing at least 2 limericks. You're going to write 2 limericks. They should have 5 lines. They should have a rhyming pattern of A, B, B, A, and they should be funny. And there's lots of examples of funny limericks out there. Bring your best one to our class meeting tomorrow. If you'd like to do an extension task, you could maybe write one about your mother or father. They're always quite funny when you share something funny about your parents, or maybe a sibling, as long as you can be nice about it. And remember to have some fun, but remember your poetry has to use appropriate school language and content. Okay, that's it for now. Go off and write your limericks and have fun with them.